Friends, you must have seen many workers doing their jobs, but some people take their work to a completely different level. Well, in today's video, I am going to show you such talented workers from around the world whose work will leave anyone completely satisfied. So, let's start our countdown. Friends, the roti maker you are seeing belong to Pakistan. This may make such a huge roti that even if the entire area eats it, it still won't finish. The interesting thing is that to make this giant roti, he does not need any helper nor does he use any tools. Instead, he slowly expand the roti with his own hands and finally put it on a burning roller. Well, seeing this massive Rumali roti will make anyone's mouth water. Friends, do you know how two walls of hundreds of feet tall building are cleaned when they get dirty? Well, for this dangerous job, such brave and skilled workers are called who hang hundreds of feet high and wash the windows of buildings, making them look brand new. Experience is definitely required for this work, but there is no doubt that the risk is also extremely high. Honestly, just watching these workers makes you scared, wondering how they manage to clean at such heights. Nevertheless, their talent is truly praiseworthy. Friends, you must have seen many cranes operators, but you might not have seen such genius worker anywhere else. He moves the crane's bucket as it is a toy. As you can see, he has done such powerful yet extremely fine digging with the bucket that it looks like someone has shaped it with their hands anyway. There can be no other crane worker as smooth as him in the world. Friends, the worker you are seeing works in a workshop and right now he is removing scratches from a car's bonnet. His work is so perfect that it will make any customer's heart happy. The way he uses different liquids to clean the car is no less than a major effort. But in the end, when the bonnet is cleaned, it looked exactly like just come out the factory. Even when you shine a torch on it, the no scratch is visible. This is truly amazing. Friends, in this video you are watching a worker is cutting frozen meat. Well, the blade of his cutting machine is mind-blowing, but the cleanness of his hands is also incredible. The way he is slicing the meat makes it seem like there is a machine installed inside his hands. Not only in the speed this burger extremely fast, but he cuts every piece so perfectly and smoothly that just watching it is enjoyable. Friends, anyone can hammer nails into wood or walls, but not everyone has the speed and accuracy like this worker. As you can see in the video, he is installing steel hooks on woods and nailing them. The worker's nailing speed is so fast that perhaps even a machine cannot work at such speed. Moreover, this man is so expert in this work that the hammer never accidentally hits his hard hand, nor does the nails go in the wrong place. Friends, you must have often seen masons doing plaster on wall, but the smart worker you are doing now is on a completely different level. His hands move on the walls with such speed that perhaps even a machine cannot match it. One of his friends set a timer on the mobile and gave him a part of the wall to plaster, and you will not believe it, a plaster the entire part within 1 minute. Well, if he gets a contract for a whole house, he can finish 1 month work in just 10 hours. Friends, every worker seems expert in their job, but there is something special about his worker. He works in a charcoal factory. When charcoal is ready, it is to be cut into small pieces. It may sound like a small job, but this worker's method of cutting charcoals is so impressive that anyone will be amazed. Watching him work makes it seem like he does not have hands, but machines that are cutting with such satisfying and accurate precision. Well, this cutting process is truly satisfying. Friends, it is at first glance this video does not make sense what is actually happening, but believe me, as it worker show his art, you too will become his fan. As you can see, using ordinary material, he has made such a beautiful wall clock that looks like unique antique piece from the world. Well, such art workers are not seen every day. Friends, you must have seen many videos of fruit decoration, but you have never seen such beautiful decoration before. In this video, you are watching a worker in cutting watermelon with great expertise and turning it into a decorative piece. Both his hands and knife are moving as it he was born only for this work. And not only that, when this watermelon masterpiece is ready, it is hard to believe that it was made for a simple fruit. Friends, we all know that truck tires are very heavy and huge, and even 2 or 3 people together can lift them with difficulty. But this strong man you are seeing can lift ever the biggest tire as if he is not a man but Superman. He does not even need anyone help to lift it. Well, after watching this video, workshop owners will be lining up to hire this worker. Friends, anyone can jump on the ground, but have you ever seen someone jumping on a ladder? Well, this worker you are seeing is actually a painter. He has such experience climbing ladder that while standing on step, he jumps and lands on the next step. And not only that, if he needs to move forward or backward on the wall, he does not bother climbing down and shifting the ladder. He has the skill to move the ladder in another direction while standing on it. This man is truly a pro. Friends, at first glance, this video looks like a edited video in which objects are moving in perfect order. But what if I tell you that these are not objective but real humans, and this is not an edited video but a real scene? Actually, this video is from a theater show where participants are performing ordinary act. Their moves and timing are so accurate and perfect that not a single person move ever for a moment, and together they create such a amazing scene that it does not feel like it works for human. Friends, normally in a workshop, when you have a fit to on tire or change a tire, it is done with the help of a machine or at least tools. But you are going to be shocked after seeing this tire fixer. The reason is that he does not need any machine or tool to fix the tire. He does not ever use a screwdriver for his work. Instead, he fixes the wheel using only his hand and feet, as it is they play for his left hand. Friends, rotis are made on a daily basis in every house, but when there is a huge festival, hundreds of thousands of rotis have been prepared. In such situation, these daring tandoor workers show their magic. These workers are highly skilled in their job and can feed thousands of people at the same time. Although automatic roti making machine have some these days that make rotis in machine, those rotis can never match the roti's taste. Friends, when it's time to cut trees, big machine and cranes immediately come to mind. But have you ever seen a human powerful as a machine? Well, this worker you are seeing does not take any machine with him when sent to cut a tree. He only uses it on one tool, and with its help, he brings down even the largest tree to the ground. As you can see, he has only one tool in his hand, and with great expertise he has cut his big tree as if it was just a small branch. Not only that, but he has cut the trees with such accuracy that it has divided into equal parts as soon as it was cut. Friends, in this video you are watching a worker in cleaning huge dining table. Well, it may not sound like a big task, but this man's style of working is so impressive that anyone will be amazed. Even more fun is that in this cleaning style is amazing, and along with that, he does the work in every satisfying way and make the table shine in just a few seconds.